Hey guys, welcome back to our channel WebToTech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to register RHB online banking account. RHB is a Malaysian bank that offers financial products and services. To register for RHB bank account, you can either use the RHB mobile banking app or you can visit the official website of RHB. I'm going to use the official website here. For that, you can go to any preferred web browser on your device. I'll be using Google Chrome. Now, once you're on the website, go to the search bar and type in rhbgroup.com and then press enter. You will be directed to the official website of RHB. Now here on the top right section of this page, you can see the option of login. Click on login. Now you need to click on the first option here, RHB online banking. Once you click on it, you will be taken to the login page. Now if you already have RHB bank account, you can simply enter your username and password and then log in. But since we need to register our account, you need to click on the register account option right over here. Once you click on it, you will be taken to the registration page. Now, in order to log in, you need to enter your card number or your loan account number in the designated box right over here. And if you need any help with registration, you can click on this learn more option and then follow through. Once you are done, you may tap on next. Once you tap on next, you will be prompted to enter your card PIN. After that, you will receive a one-time password on your phone number that is connected to your bank account. So you need to check and provide that OTP for the verification. Next, you will be prompted to enter your username and to create a strong password. You will have to re-enter your password for confirmation. You will also be required to enter your email address. After that, you will have to choose a secure word for the further verification in case you lose your password. Now click on next and then you will go through the terms and conditions page. You need to click on those boxes to agree to those terms and conditions. Once you are done, click on submit. After that, you need to answer few challenge questions for extra security purpose. So select the questions and then fill in your answers. Once you are done, click on next and then you will have to click on authorize now button. And with that, your RHB bank account will be registered. So this is how we can register for RHB online banking account. This is it for today's video. If you like the video, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.